Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right. And we have made it. Today is July the 9th of 2025. And we have made it to day number 86 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge. So we are climbing. We're moving along. We're almost completed our first 90 days of this challenge, guys. So I'm super excited here to be here, guys. And I'm hoping you guys are following along with these videos. Okay. Um, I'm going to be with you guys. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, new to this video, okay, what we're doing here is we're doing a 365-day challenge where we promote one offer from ClickBank. Okay, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, and we're going to put those together. We're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year doing so. Okay, so this is going to be a great series for you guys to follow along with. This is by far the easiest method that I think online that you can do to make money. If you could copy and paste emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. I created a brand new ClickBank account just for you guys to show you guys how to do this, and just follow along with me, and you can kind of duplicate what I'm doing. Okay, so we've made it to day number 86. Let's go ahead and get right to it. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so when you come into this back office, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay, so when you come in, you're either going to see either 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. Now, me, I have just a little bit about myself. I have 8 different accounts. Okay. I have multiple accounts that I use. Okay. And I send out emails every 24 hours, every single day. I don't miss a beat. Okay. Now, this Miley Gen Secret System, guys, this traffic that every day you're going to have new subscribers coming in, to your back office. Okay, so these new subscribers, they have no idea who you are. Okay, they have no idea what you're promoting. Okay, but these people that are coming on this list, these people are looking for ways to make money online. Okay, these are business opportunity leads. Okay, so it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find, make money online leads, business opportunity leads. We go ahead, business opportunity offers, and we go out and we promote those offers to this traffic. Okay, so what we do is we generate an email and we submit our affiliate link in the email and we send it out to our subscribers. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Okay. So this is an email platform. Like I said, they provide those leads for us every single day. You guys get started. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus the emails that I'm sending out. That's the only difference that it's going to be. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the mailing system. This is pretty much where you're going to be hanging out at, guys. This is the mailing system. This is where you're going to go and you're going to submit all your emails. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on select all. Okay, now what that does is loads the emails over here to the portal. That way, when we send out one email, it's going to go to however many people that we have in our back office. Okay, now this account I have, guys, I have over 181,000 people in this list. Now yours may not look like this starting out. But do keep in mind, if you guys stay with this program and if you guys, stay with it for years and years, okay, it's going to look exactly like this. I've been with the system over 3 years, going on 4. I totally love the service, guys. So I've been using this for a while. Okay. So this is what your email will look like whenever you go into the mailing system. We're going to send out an email using the subject line, and then we're going to also use a body of text. Okay. As you can see, I've already sent out my email for today because you can send out one email every 24 hours. So I did send out my emails before shooting this video for you guys. Okay. That way we can save time, on this. Okay. So this is the offer that we're going to be using. This offer is called Social Sales Rep. This is one of the top offers in the e-business, e-marketing section on ClickBank. Okay. So we can go here, guys, to the email swipes. Okay. And now these email swipes, guys, are going to be brand new. These are going to be new email swipes that we're going to be able to use with our with our offer. Okay, so all you would have to do is there's 1 all the way to 20, guys. So you can come down here, you can promote all of these emails, send them out every single day till you get to 20. Once you get to 20, you can start back over to 1, go down to 20 and start back over. Just keep rinse and repeat, guys. It's just super easy to do. Okay, now let's go ahead and send out one of these emails. Okay, let's go ahead and go to this one right here, guys. Let's go ahead and go to, it says 280 per day, Shopify chat assistant. So let's go into Control C. We want to come back over here to the mailing system and we want to just paste it in. Like, this is what I mean, guys. This is stuff is just super easy to do. All you got to do is copy and paste it onto the mailing system. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down to the body of your text here, guys. Click on perfect timing. And then we want to come over here and let's grab the body of this text right here. Okay, let's go ahead and grab all of it. It's a pretty long email too. So Control C, come back over here and we want to Control V, Control A, and then Control V, right? So what that does here is it pastes our email in and we want to take out the signature. You either want to put in your name or management, whichever one you want. Now where it says hi name, that's basically saying that we want to address our prospect by their first name, okay? So let's go ahead and go here, Control C, come down here, and we want to take this out and we want to Control V, right? Okay, so that's it, guys. So pretty much that's it. We want to put in, or we want to address our prospect by their first name. So when our prospect sees this email, it says like, "Hi Jermaine, hi John, hi whatever their name is, right? Do you enjoy chatting with people online?" Okay, and it goes to the into the email, and it goes into the job description, telling them what they'll be doing, how much money they're going to make, okay, and what type of skills that they need to do this job, right? And then at the bottom, there's going to be a call to action buttons, okay? Now, this call of action means like something that says like click here. It's basically something that takes you to the next step. Okay. So right here it says click here. And then up here it says click here as well. And we want to make these clickable links. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go over here to the link tab and let's go ahead and click on the link. And then underneath every email that we send out, guys, there's going to be a personalized affiliate link. Okay. So we're going to take this personalized affiliate link and we're going to put it into the call of action, you know, tabs, okay? I mean, into the bold text to make those clickable links, okay? So right here is where we're going to take this out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. We want to take this out and we want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, okay? So it's very important that we do that. So let's go over here to the mailing system, Control B, okay? And let's go ahead and take this out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. Take this out and you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, whatever that is, okay? Don't put in mine, okay, guys. Put in yours. That way you get the credit, not me, okay? So let's go ahead and go here, okay? And then let's go into this link tab and then Control V. And then we want to take this out, okay? And let's see here. All right, take that out, guys. And then put in your link, okay? Your affiliate ID, okay? Boom. And then I like to make this a little bigger here. Either make it either 16 or 18, okay? Whichever one you guys are feeling, all right? So let's see here. So now that looks a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to read. Okay, so when our prospect sees this email, not only is it addressing them by their first name, so it's more personable to them. Okay, it tells them the job description. Also, it has a call to action early on in the email, so that customer can click here if they don't want to read the whole thing. They can click here and get right to the opportunity, so it can tell them exactly what's going on here. And then also right here, there's a call to action down here at the bottom. Okay, there's going to be 2 buttons down at the bottom. One is going to say click here and preview. You want to click on preview. You want to make sure that these links work. Okay, you want to click on them. It's going to bring your email up in real time. Okay, so that way you can click on the email and you can see that it takes it to your affiliate page. And when it goes to your affiliate page, you want to make sure that it has your affiliate ID in the URL. It's very important. And then once we get our prospect to our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us, guys. We don't have to do anything. All we got to do is get our prospect to that page. So our page can do all the selling and telling. All right. And then once we do that, let's go ahead and click on send now. Boom. We just clicked on send now. Okay. That email went out to thousands of people, okay, and then every 24 hours you can come back in and send another email, all right, which is pretty cool. So that's how easy it is, guys, to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Seeker system. I just showed you how to do that. We sent out an email last night, guys, and I want to show you the results from that, okay, on how we did, all right. Now, let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. First, let's look at this. It looks like we did earn something today. So let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Okay, and today is July the 9th. Okay, right here is the 9th. Okay, today, let's check out our results. All right, so we're promoting social sales rep, which is this first one. Okay, we got over 1,100 hops, and then we got 691 unique hops. Okay, so these are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. These are new people, which is really, really good, guys. Okay, we got 2 order form impressions. Okay, now, order form impressions means that someone went to the checkout page and they're ready to buy the program. Okay, we got 2 people that was willing to buy the program today. Okay, now for some reason only one person did sign up today, which is really good. We did get a free trial sign up, and we'll get paid from that in 3 days. Okay, every time you get an initial sale in a day, okay, they're going to get billed for the program in 3 days. All right, so we're going to be looking for that sale in the next 3 days. All right. So we did earn an initial sale today, and then also we got a rebill, guys, here, and this came from somewhere. Okay, so we're going to find out where this commission came from. So let's go ahead and go over here to the accounts tab. Okay, and let's go ahead and take just a little bit further and see how we did and where the sale came from. So let's go ahead and click on today is Wednesday, July the 9th. Let's go ahead and click there. All right. And then we want to come down here and we want to click here because this is where the sale, the rebill came in. And let's find out where this came from. Look. So this rebill, guys, came from a sale that we got last month on the 9th. All right. So as you can see, we got the sale on the 6th. It's the 3-day trial. And that person got billed on July the 9th. Now, the cool thing about this offer, guys, and why I'm promoting it is because it has a rebill of $28 every single month to the customer, and we get to keep 85% commission. So we're going to get to keep majority of that income. We're going to keep $20 of that every single month, all right, which is pretty cool. So this sale, actually, this commission, guys, came from last month. Okay. And this is what I've been preaching to you guys the whole time. Okay. This is why I'm promoting this offer because we want to stack these $20 payments on top of each other. Okay. So there's always someone signing up, okay, for the free trial, and there's always someone getting rebilled for the program. Okay, that's the whole idea to this method. All right, is to get multiple signups, to get multiple people getting billed each and every month for the program, and then eventually we're going to have those $40 days, those $60 days, those $80 days, those $100+ days, guys. It's going to be beautiful. Okay. Now, right now, we're only in month 3, guys, and it's slow starting out, okay? But as we get further and further along, month 4, month 5, month 6, once you start getting into further in this method, guys, you're going to start seeing these sales climb, and they're going to keep climbing, and they're going to keep going, guys, and we're going to start earning that type of income, okay? This is the whole reason why I created a brand new account just for you guys, because I wanted to show you guys how this stuff works, okay? So that's it, guys. I wanted to show you how we did today. Okay, from last night's emails, we got some good traffic here, guys. Okay, let's go back to it. Let's go back to the reporting tab here. Okay, let's see here. So yeah, guys, we got some good traffic today. Over 1,000 hops today. Okay, we got 600 unique hops, and we got some order form impressions, and we made a sale. Okay, so we did good today. We made a sale, and we made money today. Okay, which is really good. This is a double double. Okay. So this is good stuff, all right? So tomorrow I'm gonna come in. We sent our emails out tonight. I'm gonna come back in here tomorrow to show you guys the results from the emails that we sent out tonight and see if we can keep this thing going, okay? The whole idea here, guys, is to mesh these sales together to where we're making money every single day. Okay, and that's what I'm striving for right now, right? So stick with me with this, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Hit the like button, guys. It helps the algorithm for other people that are looking to make money online. But subscribe to this channel, guys. This is going to be a great 365-day challenge. and I don't want you guys to missing out. Okay, now if you guys want to get started with mileage and secret, if you want to follow along with me here, guys, you can go here to the more tab here underneath this video. There's going to be this link right here, this tiny URL slash MLGS True Freedom. Okay, click on that link so you can join my team. Okay, and then I can send you guys over some emails that I use that convert really, really good, and I'm able to make these little sales right now. Okay. So follow along here with me, guys. Stick with me. You will not be disappointed. It's going to be this is a great channel. All I do is just give you guys value and show you guys how to do stuff. Okay, I'm not trying to sell you anything or anything like that. I'm just trying to show you how to do stuff because I told myself once I start making it and once I start making money online, I will start giving back to the community and give out this free information. None of this stuff is I'm charging anybody to do to show you guys how to make money. Okay, this is more entry level, super easy stuff to do. A lot of people can do this. Okay, guys, but if you're someone who's motivated, this is something that you're going to be able to do, and this is extra income that you can make for your family. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut this video short, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and I'm going to meet you guys here. We're going to go over how to send out another email, and then we're going to show you the results from tonight's emails and see if we earned any more money, okay, tomorrow. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. Peace.